Oh shit! Oh, help the chicken! The chicken! The chicken! Breathe! Breathe! Help! Help the chicken! Is it dead? Ah, time of death. Anybody got the time? Hey, you guys. How you guys doing? Hey, I just have a question for y'all. By any chance, you guys want to see my chicken?
Chicken?
Yeah.
What do you mean your chicken?
Hey, just a question for y'all real quick. Might be weird, but like keep it low key. Like, y'all want to see my cock real quick?
What?
My cock.
Well,
It's my chicken. It's nice and shaved. Everything's clean.
nah, we're good though.
You sure? How sure?
We got a couple roosters in our station that are probably bigger than your chicken.
What does that mean? It might be a weird question, but you want to see my chicken?
Nah, you're all right.
It's shaved.
So,
It's clean. Protected. You sure?
thank you very much, man.
I'm just confirming. Are you guys sure?
Yeah, man. Thank you anyway.
Yeah. I'm just joking, you guys. I'm just joking about it. Come here, show me some love, guys. Oh shit. Oh. The chicken. Help the chicken. He's not breathing. You can do it. It's dead.
Come here, come here. Where's the homo?
What do you mean? No, there's no price or nothing like that. It's just, it's nice and shaved, bro. It's clean, bro. I was just joking with y'all. Look. It's actually chicken. It's actually chicken, bro. I'm filming a video right here. If it's alright if I put you in the video.
Oh
shit. Bro, get the chicken. Save the chicken. Save it. Save it. He's not breathing. Breathe. He's not gonna make it. Time of death, 4:55. He didn't make it. Maybe if you helped him, he would have made it. Hey, I just want to get your attention. You sure?
Yeah. Middle of the story, sorry. No, like I'm good.
Okay. Hey, go on, say hi. Say hi. Sometimes he just doesn't want to say anything. Say hi. There we go. There you go. Now I'm speaking. No, don't. No. Okay. All right. I'll just keep walking about my day. You like my chicken? Walking my chicken today. Come on, let's go. What a nice dog you got. Mine's better though. Oh shit! You okay? No, the chicken. The chicken? The chicken. Stop.
Okay, don't worry. The chicken's okay.
No, just the chicken. It's the chicken.
Chicken's good. Chicken's good. It's breathing. Look, listen. I mean, his legs a bit fucked up, but he's alive.
Okay. All right. We're good. Appreciate it. Thank you guys. Oh shit.
You okay? You okay? You okay?
Chicken. No, chicken.
Oh, you okay?
Yeah, come here.
I think I hit my nuts with it. Oh no! Hit cock-a-doodle-doo with it.
Hey, dale así.
Just don't hit me.
Sí, dale al donkey, así.
Wait.
Sí. ¿Le doy el pollo?
Ah!
Dale el pollo, pero no lo pegues,
Oh shit! Holy shit! Hey, can I try? Can I try? Can you teach me something?
Yeah, teach you something?
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think I can do that. Right.
Run.
I'm kidding, bro.
That back leg
Okay.
pop down.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. I'm ready. It's a bit scary though.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna. What? I have to jump?
Yeah, kind of like a jump motion.
Okay.
Jump like this.
Okay.
Back leg go on.
I'm kind of scared. It's a little bit. Oh, what the fuck? The fuck? No, I don't know. What the fuck?
Weird.
All right. Oh shit. All right. All right. Oh, oh no. There's the chicken. Yeah. Oh, breathe, bro. Breathe. Breathe. He didn't make it.
Hey, this is a good cooker now.
Hey, that's a good idea. All right, let me try that ollie again. Oh shit! You see that? No, I'm just messing. We were making a YouTube video over there. Yeah, yeah. We're just walking around messing around with people with the chicken. You cool to be in it?
Yeah, no, bro.
Cool, yeah, yeah. Nice to meet you. What's your name?
Corey.
Corey?
Yeah,
Nice to meet you. Over there, look at
Hey,
him.
yeah, mate. He shot us his chicken.
I'm just playing. We're making a funny YouTube video with the cameraman over there.
Really?
Yeah, yeah. YouTube.
Okay.
You guys okay to be in the video? Yeah? Or good? Oh, it's okay? All right. Thank you. Come on, say hi. Come say hi. Say hi. We were making a YouTube video. Can you tell them to subscribe?
Tell him what?
To subscribe.
He's what?
Can you tell, we're making a YouTube video. Can you tell them to subscribe?
To what?